My name's Adam Oxford. I'm an independent consultant with a background in journalism and media. And at the moment, I'm working with OpenUp, a Cape Town-based organization, on the design and delivery of the Capacity Accelerator Network program. So the reason we focus on climate and health data is that there's a real nexus of need there, that the two factors really heavily influence each other. We know we're living in a changing climate, and we know that has big impact on standard of living, on the opportunities for development. People here are not responsible for the climate crisis. The level of carbon production across pretty much the whole continent, if you take out South Africa, is almost zero. So what we need to do is focus on the areas that we can affect. Adaptation, better living, coping with the effects of climate change. The CAN program can make a huge difference. We're focusing on developing skills for finding, acquiring, and working with data, but most of all on the network side of it, sharing that data, working collaboratively, internationally across the continent to try and build solutions that are anchored in local need. So for us, it's been a really challenging experience to put together a program that covers everything. So it's been a real challenge because when we started working on the big CAN training, we looked at it as a complete blank canvas and went 26 sessions over 3 months. That's 13 weeks. People are going to be coming twice a week, 2 hours every time. That is a huge time commitment on behalf of the participants. But the amazing thing is that once people start the program, we try to help people understand how to relate the topics that we're talking about to their everyday lives, to the work that they're doing now and to the work that they want to do in the future. And we're very lucky, by nature of running a program like this, it attracts people who are really invested in social development, in SDG goals, in building a better future, in tackling a lot of the grand challenges that are out there.